Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, it's right here. Now tap on the More icon, here go to My Apps and Games, and under Updates you will find all applications that can be updated. Here you've got them. And if you would like to update one particular application, just tap on the update right next to its icon, right here. And at first the latest version of this application will be downloaded and then installed, so you'll be able to use the latest version afterwards. Here you'll be able to observe the progress. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can make a phone call, you can play some game, search the browser, watch a movie, or do whatever you want to grab some pictures. Then let's open the Play Store again, and as you can see here, you've got the progress. So it's almost done. Let's give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now you can find it under recently updated at the bottom of the list, but also you can update all applications at once. To do it, just click on update all and then it will be done. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.